People, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Our people, we have Urban and Rochelle in our life. Them a rush game, wicked my people. You see me? Them a go hard at K. So we are gonna get either that my people. We also have the Lion Man. We also have Bookie. I talk about how, you know what I mean, some of the people them with that sleep party look. Them deal with the KTV away my people, Jaja. Saying we also have Jabbas, we also have Rosealee. I say after sleep party done, she did want some top up, and I say yo, should I, you know what I mean, make Jakes knock it very. But then she kinda I pray and I say, you know what I mean, no whatever. So me I gonna make on hear what she have to say right there. So is it me? We have a bunch of things. What else we have? I don't remember people. So as usual, we want to hear in the intro and I will see in the video. So I could get in it.
Alright, Bookie, may I get a chance to review the party? I have to tell the truth.
What? How you want me start it?
Start, you want to start it, man.
Alright. First, we have to talk about Senseless. Senseless have how much material? And no clothes Senseless have on. I don't know one shirt that I had, about 6 shirts. Then, the pants there, it could have make everybody pants in an event. Me I go end my life. Me know the pants are with you. Because I see a fuck you love.
No, man, talk the truth, man. Just start, bro. You're the good man.
Alright, let me see next person. BYNZ are my friend, but his shoes too big.
Yeah, man,
shoes too big. It's too big, BYNZ. Me tell you, me no love me big old shoes. Yeah, my virgin. It too big. I drip our design about it too big. Yeah, my friend. Everything else alright. Let me see you now. Illegal name Box TV. Me no know what that thing when you come to this. But anyway, when I suit them when I army, when saying in I army or police or whatever. But anyway, when I suit them. Let me see who next I know.
TikTok boss.
Lord God Almighty, me now go there so. Me swear say a bushy man I go. Me say when me see me I say them no bush. TikTok. I joke me. They TikTok boss wanna come to me. I joke.
All that joke can't make, bro. I shoot, bro.
Easy no man, we can't make no. We say a piece we have purchased on the internet. Let me see who again. Let me see who again. Who you know. Help me no man, them talk. Some of my people them.
6 TV.
6 kill 6 dead same a rock star. Kill him dead same a rock star. Me don't know what that thing have on.
You're not counting locks them.
Then you know say that the world are making cut out. Somebody no have whole heap already. Me never see this yet. You know have whole heap and cut out more out of it. I can go fucking trim. Why you not go trim your head, big man?
No man.
Say a fucking man. If 6 lakhs them must say part the crowd.
Yeah man.
No head.
In a 6 head top. You that swear thing say I want bright light. You see,
me see it.
That's true.
But me don't really want to talk. Me don't wait till you first talk. But me can't talk now because you first talk. But if you go get your head, better trim and restart over the process. That is already 6 may your friend, but go start over your locks. Trim me and do it back fresh. Me feel like you have set better.
Alright, top back.
Next.
Sharon was a friend. Brown.
So you go like you never know TJ?
Sometimes I don't remember who I kick off that.
TJ you well and know man.
Ah boy.
Yeah, you know that style man.
Pretty Mickey.
Jabba's friend too. Sherman all that Rosealee smell good.
Gotcha, what wrong with you man?
The girl look good for true share.
Yeah, that is nice. That is okay.
No, I'm just tell her.
No. I don't know me not bias. I will feel it tough for true.
Yeah, that's
our shoes.
You look good for true share. You never see her share.
Very short. I don't see no friend, but I like her shoes.
Let me show him.
No, Queen like me, I mean, do you not know?
Just a hypocrite.
I don't like hypocrite.
Grab us that.
Yeah, man, girl look good, man.
Me not see good.
You mean you're not good?
Me not see good. Tell you shower. Me say me not see blood clot.
Let me show you again. Since you're not see.
She look like Candyland. Is she nice?
Yeah, man, he come out. I tell her she come out.
Look like
Candy look good too.
Candy.
Which candy that?
No, the color sweet to them. She look nice.
This look like a turn on.
No, me not mean that. You know, it's a compliment. Like, you know, candy. The rainbow candy there.
What's that?
No,
We're not gonna allow the disrespect in the car.
It's not disrespect, Lord Jesus. That's not disrespect.
I'm
That is not a disrespect.
Yeah, she unblocked me.
Jabaz, as a hypocrite, talk the truth. That is not a. You don't know the sweetie them.
So
Me in that process to get unblocked, you know, she.
So the one unblocked too?
Yeah.
Wait there.
Look how much mix up keep over there so we can't go over there. You know about me? You to TJ?
No, we're not mix our mingle.
No.
Oh,
I know you're different. That's why I just that one.
Well,
I would have done this. Oh, him.
yeah, go on.
So other from today, I will stop to bring on Rosalie because you know why? I found out Rosalie is a very nice person.
As of today, because the night Jamaica, you never say the club be nice because she not there. So as of when? As of blood clot when support.
You remember say you forget some Mary properly?
Okay.
You keep on forget.
Yeah, no, yeah.
I understand. That is nice. I'm happy for you.
Some people hear me did I tell you say yo me like the outfit but Rosalie just good but me not like the skirt. So I same thing she a say be a look sweetie something there on the like, you know what I mean? Me know what I think my people.
I'm happy for Jabaz as well.
Me, Jabaz, Shay, and Queenie, what are we hypocrite?
Me happy for all of you.
No, hypocrite. That's why I said I like the outfit.
Wait there. Me happy for you. Me happy for two hours.
But that sure want me, baby.
I like how Queenie listen to you know?
No, me happy for you.
You just tell her to shut up and she shut up, you know? You like that?
I never say shut up. I say baby.
Okay. Baby!
No, we set up people here. If you follow the boy, you know, man, I tell you, you know.
So how you going to know what TJ?
I just know, say, no, we set up people for true.
Can't set up Queenie and Shay, you're mad. Them now left, you know.
Why you say that?
What do you mean?
So what go on? Only have DJ that they mix up. DJ that like mix up.
No, I know, say first, them actually be.
DJ and Maya, then sit down and night time and chat everybody on the app.
No, me not think so.
None at all.
Yeah, alright, cool.
We're not here for that, Jabaz.
Ask Jayden.
I bet you them said Jayden sit down and chat everybody pan.
That sound more legit.
With a blood clot, believe you.
That sound more legit.
But him not be tell that. Him know say so it go.
Guy probably had two of them.
Exactly.
Me, Shay, Queenie, we chat everybody.
Baba. So good boy, don't tell a lie for me, you know. Don't tell a lie, my tell a lie. I'm a Queenie. No, not me, and I'm in it. Are you on him?
Queenie, show me in there. How about
No,
phone the
I'm
car?
not in there.
How about phone the car mostly?
What?
How about phone the car mostly? Not for your phone.
I answer the phone.
No, you.
And she answer.
How you answer the phone?
Bumbo club, baby.
Me know, well, me don't know what we in there, but me know me and Jayden chat every day, right? Too.
I'll share to you throw in there.
Me not in. Don't tell a lie for me.
That's so like when I WhatsApp group.
Yeah, we chat all you teachers.
No, stop telling me.
Never chat yet, no TJ.
DJ, me never hear them chat yet. Me never
Yeah, they take him out.
Thank God.
We never chat you here.
Me never hear them chat yet, TJ, but me know Jabas, him get it.
So like who them chat, so like what?
Me don't know after.
Them I say Jabas are wicked. Jabas are hypocrite. Jabas no like nobody.
Yeah.
I him say it.
Jayden, I tell you all the way him say.
Jayden, I tell you everything what him say. Make him talk more. Make him tell him more.
Talk more.
Yeah.
Tell them all the way him say.
Jayden, anytime me say, I say, I'm walk up here.
What?
Say you work for one now?
Lie, my
Baby,
tell you.
I mean.
Whenever you walk it over.
Anna you. Somebody. That's why I know a lie I tell Jabas because it's not you, it's somebody else.
Somebody from our team bag where it's not our team bag anymore.
And she join me live. Lord Jesus.
Who don't know?
Boy!
Jayden, you can't be here.
Jayden, behave no bro. Me no listen no, me no want to bring down. Just stop down. Don't just slow down.
Me see why you don't mute time and make you steer.
Leave her.
Girl just know say Jayden and she.
No, don't call me here. Don't baby, don't call me here. Make me not in night
But
chat.
Jayden, me have one question for you. Who is that girl you're talking about?
I don't know who's that girl you're talking about. Who's that girl you're talking about?
I'm asking you, you say somebody for a team big, but she know better than somebody say, who is that girl?
Yeah?
You say somebody for a team big, but she's not over there anymore. So I ask her, who is that girl?
No, man, somebody was in the comments, you know? In the comment section.
Oh, she blind?
I don't know.
Yeah, me catch her, yeah, catch her.
What's the man going to go against you? What's the man?
No, them not comments are.
You know, so you say if you are Alvin and the Chickmunks.
See, no, them comments are up to date, brother.
Hey, TJ.
Jabas,
TJ. You see if you jump right now and tell them later. Tell them Jabas. Them man go long because a long time you flag one.
I said, Jabba stand the show.
Because I'm like Ringa and then we have two phones. I can't chat them in a piece.
but dear.
That's how we ever get to you. Forget to chat to you.
That man vanity. What do you like I say, man?
Yo, come the man must make $100 and more come off now.
Jabas, me here say, world dog. Alright.
Yeah, yo. Come here, Jayden, you know if you're Christian?
No, he never christened me.
You better me ask him in the front of your face, you know.
He never christened.
Come here, man. Sometimes I want every man to Christian, brother.
He never christened me.
Acha.
But me I look at me not see it, land. Me I look at me not see it. Just stay, I want baby, alright? Just stay, I mean, I like girl look nice one night. They look very nice. Glad to meet you too, baby. That hug was nice. I would mind to see me and hug me again.
Come on, man, look, you know.
I like when no hug me, but not smell good.
Well, Keith. So far, this one can see too.
Lance, you see, big shrine pan. The button them, press the left one first, then the right one first. That's the 3 buttons in a line. Press the left one first, and the right one, and then listen for one buzz. Then listen for your buzz to come up.
I'm just going to say
You see a hotel woman in a fell paper pants. I got up like light no flash last night. The blind is like last night. There's a dead man.
I want one over there.
I'm on Bookie.
Oh, Jayden.
Yeah.
I train, blood
I'm
going.
good day, man. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
We're not going. What's up? Hey, what going there? BZ. What
On
going?
the AI, you see AI, the wrong one.
Wait up on Jabas.
I tell me I don't play too much. It's been a long time for you, man. Yeah, wait, don't say jump out. You want to go grind, man.
Wanna press the back button?
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. Make a watch some more and then move on to the next.
It's been a long time with you. You don't ask me something. Why don't I move so tense? Come on, man. Come on. We not live them the life anymore. We not live them the life anymore.
She make him accept something.
I mean, I want to accept it. One play.
I didn't do make you some.
One play.
And she said, request her.
I don't add no blood clot body.
Are you a there?
No, she said request. She, I'm to be blamed. She send a request, I'm accept. I just know my member.
Me know so they don't get along, so me not do that.
You can't keep up with everything we're going over for true, like that's
as bad as things we know, so Jayden always do a fuck with it. No,
as she said request to I swear to God. And she never yet sent my request before.
Yeah, well, I know teacher, go if you go for that.
I now say I don't know, but I just say I just remember now. What?
She say pussy will mix up.
No man, I never remember for true.
Me give my blind.
I never remember for true.
I mean, no, but I think the Jabas now do that.
No,
she sent a request. But then why she would have sent a request? She sent a request for true. Maybe if you want to put differences aside, then I don't know.
Shay, Andre's good.
So I saw the no. So I saw the whole on I put differences aside from the internet.
No, I don't know. Man think different. Remember, say man.
Everybody will tell me say put differences aside. From what you may hear differences aside.
That don't go work out. The differences
now, one PNGX.
Our baby father, me not go on on the screen with him.
But I'm not a deal.
You know, TJ, I am different than you guys. I am different. Make my cut out different from Uno. Instead I'm going to problem, I still have a problem. Cool?
But it's just because I never really hear your name go like back and forth before.
No, me and him not go back and forth. But remember the woman baby father, I'm not able. I don't want anybody say me I run up on them baby father. I send them baby father request. No, bro. I
remember saying to girl, nobody know just that.
Yeah, I not do certain things, TJ. Me cut out different.
You have your reason. So.
Yeah, I cut out different from now. Someone to take insult for invitation on TikTok. I not do that.
But that's why I ask if the case I'm insulted them, I can understand.
No. You have to learn to set a boundary away. Everybody wants to set differences aside. There's no differences. It's okay. Me stay so you
that's true. There are people who not say that's true.
Right.
But that's true.
Me not have no problem with nobody. Me not going to people's space and them something.
Check. Alright. No, wait for this. No man, something that man I work right now. Here we go. I guess the begging done feed you,
No man, you can't go on, man. Go and go play with them, man. Me there.
No. I saw something that happen right now. From this person you ball, you know, everybody will go over there now. So now, everything.
I have flex that if I go for a while ago. I have flex first.
Make you not give Jayden a song. You give Ziggy, you give Derek. Jayden a song, man.
You're not batty man, you know.
Of course. Okay, Ziggy, okay, I understand.
I'm by you, you know, say
Ziggy and Derek sing for the same man.
a blood clot, man. We see a kiss off a man. So what? Where you go?
Me a buy.
You know me.
Him not mean it.
Me buy.
Oh, you buy? Oh, sorry.
You what?
Okay, yo.
What you say, man? Back to you and talk about my phone.
So are you alone for buy?
What? Me not buy.
Shayna say cock, Shayna, you don't know nothing with the cocky.
Me not know cut business. The only cut me take are the strap. That's the only cut me take.
Maka, you never take strap yet?
My strap growing at the dark, it growing on my wall.
Oh, me have greenness, low me.
It grew up on me.
The Jayden, you know, say Maka so cocky to Maka talk, you know. Say she so cocky and up there, you know.
Jayden, Maka de pa holy fans, you know.
Maka live a holy fan.
Yeah. She de pa holy fans, so she used the rose and then something there.
She do private service, if I call her, I can get a
Private service.
So I saw the music gone bad now.
Long time. Bad.
Reaction. Yeah.
Oh, you just accept it.
You accept it long time.
Oh, okay.
Anything what we say, so it go.
Hey, my people, one thing with the lion man still, you know, him living a film truth, you know. He make the people them know who he is, you know. And my people, no 5 persons them a take this for joke like some of the things them we must say. What if them something we must say a real thing? What if him love man and woman? It's impossible, you know, my people. Would that make alright? Say people find out, say boy, I saw him a move in a real way. I'm talk it, but until people see me really do it, I have some type of proof, then I go, you know what I mean, react certain way because them I go just have it say yo him that and so him stay. Suppose he come out say yo him a that type of person. Would he fall off? I don't think he would have the same popularity or whatever. Tell me what you think.
Anything what we
No, man,
say.
I can't still do song as it.
Anything we say, so it go.
Oh man, she not a freestyle, man. She not take it, I don't see her, she take it serious, you know.
So all the angel depend only fans down in us.
Me would tell her to take it serious, you know, because I run gone for a long time, darling.
No, we're not busy with because Rosalie after that artist. Rosalie after that artist, so what me
Yeah, and that's a fact.
So what? No me a worry about, When me a worry about that.
Cut him blood clot, Maka.
Rosalie after that music business right now. Rosalie
Music not work for you, Maka.
Music not work for you either, not if your body not work for you. Your cocky not work for you, then you go worry about. Don't worry about what not work for me.
Me tongue not work for me do.
When I work at your tongue, you try it and it still not work.
Why Maka music never choose you?
I don't care what want to choose me, but you and your tongue not choosing. It's not using and it's refusing.
Why Maka you drunk when I mean?
Why? Every day they tell me that. I mean not care. I don't care. I don't worry about music.
Maka.
Die.
Bad song, die.
Jayden, where your phone there? Don't you name say she call you?
Yeah, go on answer.
Hello, call you.
Every day I music. Go on. And me alone music now go on for. Your cocky now go on for you. Go on and look for everybody. Don't worry about me.
No, Maka.
Flex, your tongue dead tongue. Blow me. Don't even bother.
Let me talk now. But throat, Maka. Look who you Java. Blood clot Ziggy and blood clot Derek.
Because me
can't save you.
You're TikToker now.
Maki, you change the whole week though.
You know, say you're jealous airflex, you're jealous bad now.
Well, me see it, I bet you go sell bag juice and go with music. No matter what.
You well one every day you say you want a combination airflex. What
No matter what.
Marker, career die. Marker, career die. Whoa, me career die. Whoa, me career die. Die. Whoa. Me career die. Whoa.
Yeah, Jayden, that the woman say a career die.
Die long time and then blood clot big hole in big batty hole.
Stop it.
Like tunnel. Blood clot.
Maka Diamond, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Peter, you hold on. You know.
It's a blood clot. I want me feel like me want man so. And a piece of man and a piece of one man spirit take over my blood clot body. And then I still gonna tell my blood clot cells a ras clot. I know Jakes would have needed. And then you're the next wicked girl in me. Sure. For the war. Like yourself, yeah, man. I mean, you really go back in at that. You know, I start to go back to me. I myself, me I talk to you, you myself to me. Yeah, I myself, me myself a reason, you know. Like more man. And you myself to me. Mr. Say, wow, man. It's the jack money gone. It's thanks. It's been a while. I feel like me like take one big stiff wood for the moment. I also look, you know, suck out tongue and feel up our finger, you know. Suck our nipple and, you know, cut glove. And I say, bad, too bad. You'd have a man in your yard, you know. I mean, I say, so I want him to me say, I want him. I say, you know, say, in our presence a moment. That's to myself, say, boy. If you and Jakes are selling that things, you could have gone, go get little cider in your wall. I mean, I hear me to myself, so hear me in the hand. We hear that you want, but nevertheless, me don't want him back. So you know what me going to do? Me going to keep my urge. Yeah, me talk back to him, you know, say, me not go back, who call who? Move here, me not go back there, son. It's all of it said and done. All of it said and done. And when me there so with Diamond, you carry girl in my bed, go fuck girl in my bed. That's a big disrespect for you to carry another woman in my bed. Understand? That is a big disrespect what you do. You carry another woman in my bed. That means all along, that is your true nature. You've been at it. I want to come talk. People tell me say I lie, me I tell. You've been at do that. That's your true nature. I die, mama there so with. You really carry one in my bed. And then when you leave, what you video the rat shit them in the drawer, like rat live at everybody yard. But me I do with you. You don't want them on there. Me say hello, shake it off for me. Shake off in my family. We've been together for 12 years. Leaving a person just like that, you gotta take time to heal all the way a human being. You have some people can't resist and go back. So when the urge will come back to you, it will. It will, because all the way a human being. The urge will come back to you. Me shake off mine. Shake it off for me, my dear. Shake it off for me. And I said to him, say, but I said to myself, say, but I will call him phone and tell him the protocol with the kids them. I shan't have phone me, I give the message to her father. One man said, don't call Jake's phone, don't deal with him. If you want, you buy your kids them 2 phone, call them. Let them get them father the message. This man said I can call him father and tell him about The protocol for go to school Monday. I told me there so with Diamond, I not leave till Monday. So I send them run them things run a yellow. I send them things run a yellow with them uniform and them school bag everything. So all I'm have to do is make him mother wash them uniform car. She said she has stand up, she class me for her son and she has stand with her son. So make him mother wash them uniform or him wash them uniform because my father get it pressed. Him know the clothes them, will call my sister so they can, well, then we get them clothes. Can I send clothes? You ever find a phone? Prepare, me not leave her till Monday. He must can prepare and put them for go to school for Monday.
Alright, to the youths them out there, me go hope say una learn a little lesson from them thing you want go on the internet. Make sure you not gonna woman yard go live. You see me I say try avoid that. You know what I mean, to the fullest. If you have to, you have to. But don't stay there for too long and don't stay in her presence for too long. She will get tired of you and start run you out. Start fling you out, start cuss you for no reason. You see me I say no matter how she did love you, once you go live her yard, you come like a picnic to her. You see me I say you're not a man no more. Alright, look, you see if you and a woman are gonna live together, you know have to look a place together and rent it together or buy it together. You see me I say? So like now for the man them way go overseas, go live with the woman and them way there, when you no go over there and they did it for a while, make sure you say you and the woman look at different apartment and you contribute to it. You see me? So that way she can run you out like that. So let me know what you think, make watch some more.
So I'm wanting to do, I'm gonna call him and say to him, say, prepare your kids for Monday. So make sure them get lunch, money, and them eat tonight, them eat today, and them eat tomorrow. Although the girl will have them, me get a month to buy something for them still, but you have to pay your part. You have to play your part, that's all. Me know and more tell him that. More when me I tell him that, him not feel like say me I looking back, him feel like no affectionate there. So me I work with my mind. My mind say don't call him, call your kids them, and let your daughter deliver the message. Me know? It's man when the urge come down for me, I say boy, bad too bad. If me and him did that same, me just mind that cause a whoop, shake it off, you idiot. You come for one party a while ago, if you actually want one man to go with you, pick one of the boy them with that a pay nice cute boy that's Swiss part to talk up to the side of one at a time. Pay nice cute boy, pure nice boy. So if you do want one boy to go, me not take one of the boy them, no matter each upon one of the boy them. Come remember you have name, you know. So no, remember me have name. Me have name. So me finding a man now is not hard. No, it's not hard. Cause a boy will take a girl we have name. She have an image. She popular. You know, popular people are hard to get man. You're popular and hard to get man. Me ain't no man worries. I just wanted some dick. But me ain't really no man worries. Me not really running a relationship, you know. I just want to say me have one look at one boy in my corner and then fuck every now and then. Me not really running. Maybe I'm a busy world about myself and money and me youth them and them future and somehow for put them and other things. Me not worry about man. Me not really, me I come out of 112 relationship. Me not go do another 2 or 3 with another boy. And more just have no say, me I go and bang. Just want to say me I go and bang, I did for me, that's it. But the long years relationship, me no want about that. But just want to say me and a boy I go and bang, and if I call upon him, him can't help me out and can him call upon him can help me out. I call upon him and say go do that for him can do it. Me not depend that. No relationship, you know. No. Just a bang. Friend with benefit. Yeah. I start to adapt living alone. And trust me, it's have peace. Yeah, because if me the day so probably me there me and me that man the day, he would have come torment me every minute upon life, me come torment me poor soul. Just a torment me. For me, if you do that boy now, you have to have your yard. I them the man that me a pick up. I them if me if you take a man or them the man that me a pick up, me that take. You have your yard. So when we're done, enjoy each other, whether grind or just cuddling, you find your yard, I'm going my yard. Simple. Me know anybody feel my years 24/7 to 24. Me start like when the bed me one sleeping night and it empty. Me start to adapt to that. Nope. Being alone is at peace. Being alone is at peace. Sometimes you do dance by your food. Sometimes it's just a feeling where you snap back out. Being alone is a peace of mind. You got your yard. When me don't do everything, go home. No come about you know, you can't come look for me, so I will spend a day or two in about find the yard. See, we can't hang out. We can't hang out. We spend a day or two. We can't even sleep together. I will spend a day or two. But for weeks, turning a 2 weeks, turning a month, you know, find hello. Really like that again, you know. One time, the urge to live with a man. No, me no want to live with none. Find your yard. I mean, I take the man. Me not take a next man when I live nowhere. Find your yard. Yes, one time when me the young, me the urge feet. One time when me the young, me the urge. My biggest urge was to live with a man. Me no want a man to live with. Find your yard. Find your yard, go find where you live, go home to your parents. I don't want a man to live with you. Give me. When I live with a man, them up in their space, so. Up in their space. Tell you what to do. And now, yeah, sometimes, me not the tidiest. Sometimes I think I'm all over the blood clot place. Coming out ride and talk. Me busy. Me not the tidiest, I'm not the cleanest. Sometimes, my things I'm all over the blood clot place. Close their ground. Sometimes I'll pan the dresser blood, make me have clothes catch up. Some upon the dresser. Cause I just rest it there and it did the feel. All weeks coming out look. Yeah. Never have clothes, never have, yeah. Come busy. What you feel like say? Me a compare, come go like me I miss nice, I miss two shoes like someone, you know? Yeah. Me not catch your blood clot, me not have no blood clot, mate. When me ready for clean, me clean it. That's why me don't want nobody around me. That's why me don't want nobody around me. Cause me know it tidiest. I'm a busy blood clot, girl. When I wake up, get myself together and start my day, I sit me, I go look sitting with that food, money sitting. Me have sitting for go do. Me is a busy person, me have something for go do. My time limited. Me no want find your yard. Simple. Find your yard. You don't have to live with people. You don't have to go to people. Find your yard. Don't want no man for blood clot live with none. Me live with one man for 12 years when I look Me, sometimes somebody text me want to long and chat to them in my phone, in my space, you annoy me can't sleep at night, I play tambourine, as daylight, my get up, you in me, you aunt me, you come like me live in a haunted house, blood clad, come like me live in a haunted house, you annoy me, you're not done, I play argument, you don't want them to sit around me, a blood clad. More me a fuck out.
Alright, so people, Rosalie say no man to her thing right now. Wanna feel like say just through the bad relationship with Jakes, she decide say yo she don't want no more man, or because she know say yo she not go find the right man who go love her for she, and Akeem make she, you know what I mean, realize say boy she's not that girl and she can't get any man she want, and him she did really want, and because him refuse her, maybe that's the reason why she say oh no more man to her thing. She ready to go out there and just party, enjoy herself or enjoy her life. I wanna feel like say because she been with this man so long and she finally taste some freedom and can enjoy her life, she don't want nobody to tell her say yo where you go or whatever. Tell me what you think in the comments.
Jump off your guy, your pussy like hello. Leave. Yeah. More me a grind. I don't know what time I jump off, you stand in your yard. Me I call you, don't call me. Me a grind and you will jump off, stay yard, me I call you. And if you don't walk out back, you don't walk out back. But when you're man there and them jump off, we not eventually talk back and then them stop them now go change. Yeah, me no want me. My 12-year relationship teach me a lot. I've learned from it. You know boy a grind, you know man there, you live with a man and you jump off about something. You jump off about something and you squash it. That one problem I got keep on occur because it's always a squash. So it's not gonna change, it's not gonna do better, and it's not gonna change. But if you're a man that live together, problem will change. I and him not live together. So when they start distancing, him know what time it is. Find a yard and a yard. When they do some of them yard, the relationship will work better. Because if two or 3 days come, you decide say you not call me, and me decide say me not call. Oh no, I don't have a call. The silence would have to break. Well, the silence would have to break one or the other way, but me not call. And you not call me, well fine. Yeah. You not call me, or me not call you, well fine. Fine your yard. When you want to look at a talk and them have a yard, you have a yard, and you catch up in an altercation over the phone, if they are yard and they are fear yard. And if you look and say, wow, wait, him not call me, what's here? What's here? Him not call me? Okay then. When you look, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. When you look, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day. 5 days appeal. And him not look upon you. And you not look upon him neither. You there fear yard, you there about fear business and him about film business. If Father God want the silence to break, the silence will break, and if it not break, nothing wrong. Turn your yard. Hello, my side now. I'm just gonna do this video. I'm gonna really sleep because I went to party last night, but I'm gonna do this video. As you can see, my face is drained. I'm gonna do this video taking my shots today because I'm really losing the weight. And if you want I to recommend Rosalie, I can. Just ask me for her number, or I'm gonna get a card or something so I can link it to my page. This is the Manjaro, and taking my shots. However, I've been losing the weight. I can feel it. I don't know if you guys best to see it, but I can feel it. So this is my skirt that I wore to the party last night, and normally I would buy it for this extend. As you can see, this extend is big. Hold on. So this extend is big. See, skirt big, and I have to take it in a little bit to two sides because
Price.
Come on, chat. Show team. Triple chat. Hey, Rizzo. Give me some for the triple team. Come on, my side.
Triple, my team. Sniper triple.
Come on, my side. Drop some for the triple chat. Drop some for the triple.
Yes, sir, man.
Come on, my side. Guys, anybody have a gloves? Drop a gloves to me now, please.
This is the time I go some booms and start speed up, you know.
Come on, my side. Guys, drop a gloves, chat.
You see her any queen and Jinny?
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. So Annie I try to seduce GX, you see me I say, but it don't look to me like GX too interested in Annie still, and it look like the dog have a woman. I don't know if I Shavy cause the dog come clear Shavy name, you know. Say Shavy no thief, no money for him. You see me? So we can watch some more, my people.
No, guys, come on, guys, push up a score on the day with me. Don't bother with that. Don't bother with that. Don't bother with that. Come on my side. Push up a score, team. Drop a gloves to me, please and thank you.
That's one idiot here.
No, request the song. Request the song. Yeah, request the song.
Know what I mean?
So now me I tell you, man, give me a snipe.
That's it. Marcia asks one night.
Good night.
Hi, good night.
How are
How is the
you? One more step on the app, you know?
Hey, you don't know one, Annie, don't.
You're not innocent neither. Not true, you not hear me talk something, bro. So stop play like you. Stop play like you're this Charlie's angel over here. You ain't.
My dear.
Anyway, me not come to argue with you. Just divorce when you go to blood clot America. That's all me a bigger. That's it. Me ain't bag of talking. Charge it. Cause we a man. You see if me a one little normal man now. We out there. Without a name, a reputation and an image. Remember say your husband look blood clot good. When I put on my clothes, me look good.
My dear. My dear.
When me beard off and put on my clothes and show on my two little design. No, allow me mama talk.
My dear.
When me beard off and show on my two pieces of design and them with my gold ring and my gold chain.
You hear that?
First if me go with some woman do me ear and
see a woman take that.
girl dead when me go road.
You hear that? You will forever be that girl.
I want KO up on the app.
Stay there, play the Lulu. Stay there, make a man tell you, say when him beard up, clean and fresh, I want you. No, you is not no one you. It's millions of you. It's millions of we. I'm not gonna talk about nobody else. You me attack. It's millions of we. And you come about, me dear, that's true that no man can't say put you at the front of the line. You see, baby girl? No man can put you up at the front of the line and deal with you, so. Call your bad bro, call your bad dog, go and look in your face. No man cannot tell me, say, put me over and family them and deal with me, so. You keep on a talk about bun. Me be not said to you, say, as a woman, most of us females, we get it. So this is why you should have never come out and pick up my business by your head. This is why I've been saying, why my business are affected? Why my business affect you so much? This is what I'm saying. And you will forever be the girl who feel like say you some. Okay, you know nobody have it. We don't say it all big. The man tell we and you confirm it numerous times. The whole TikTok know. That make you be a top girl? For you feel like say you're all of your rub out. That make you be a top girl? Anything any man near me call pattern still would have never ever say my all big. Your time when you tell me if you go fix my body, you need to go and fix your hole. It's leaking, it's too big, it's too wide. When husband fed up at it, girl, that's why I did have to talk. The man fed up, the man sick, the man tired. Disrespect spell one way. Him disrespect me, him disrespect you. That's why you have to see people business and leave it alone. You're too picky, you fall. Everything you walk and pick up for your married woman, you're really miserable. You was a sick, miserable girl. And your day you come out every day. Me hate you. Hello? My bills are paid. Me still look good. At least I admit to me is a pretty girl, but shape bad and carrot never that. Okay, when you walk, only thing left for me to get an eagle and pop the hole them in your body. A pure hole by your ass, girl. And when you turn sideways, you still look like a board. You was not a look good girl when mother say, you know, so that girl doing body and she clap that she look good. Okay, you was not that girl. All your face want fix. Cause her makeup make you look good. You don't look good. You was not that girl. You realize that everybody only know you as me not see her doing a brand deals, a peer brand deals, me do. Me just see her start a business. Me have Rushy Boo boutique. Things been a go on for me. With or without a man, things been a go on. And what they say them go for one company, what them do them dashing at the bin because them not using no more. Nobody know why you promote them business. Me could talk about now, girl. Me could talk about now. Because I'm a left boy, I'm a been a elevate. You can't do without man. You realize everything you talk about is about man. All your own man have to come tell you. Your own man have to come tell you. The man disrespect me at the same disrespect. No matter how him bun me at the same bun. And baby girl, let me tell you something if you know. Don't make me bust up the things then. Because I whole heap of baby 10 half pan your girl. Whole heap. You man have picking it on you, my dear. And you know this too. And everybody, I me not want to call the name them because I am not that girl. You know so the man have picking it on you too. And he won't be the first and he won't be the last and life goes on and oh you bounce back from it. But the way you behave, oh you never have them strength for the rest of the girl them will come by you. Oh you not have that strength. Them and realize you me have strength. From here say me make a statement about oh my eat you. More than me eat mackerel. Oh, you have to eat me more than eat mackerel. Mackerel, sorry for you calling him, even though we not see eye to eye, but that's okay. But oh, you have to eat me more than mackerel, and that girl send out a whole voice note of your so-called husband. We're looking at your face and tell us, so no matter how much woman in there with, and you might come back home. So, which boy could I tell me that? Which boy could I tell me that? You know, to say ambition want you a little bit and run out. Ambition pan you a little bit and run right out for your big woman. We claim say you have a daughter where you got college and then your daughter where you got college proud of you kill her dead. Kill her dead that girl where you got college proud of you. That girl that your daughter don't proud of you. I'm not ask Christ. Cause I would have never proud of a mother like you will behave so. And so, you want to talk about me, the Lulu? Well, I'm young. I have my whole life ahead of me. I have things to learn, and I have things to get done, and I have things to fix. Me is a young girl. And if you're a young girl where you eat, you're going to live to see me. Because when I reach your age, me a top girl. TikTok can't even see my face when it comes down to certain things. You're crazy? Because I'm going to elevate, and that's why you're going to live to see me. Because girl like you eat, God bless Pitney, you cannot stop me. I pay this to use a big, sour, big mouth girl. Your mouth big, your whole big. That needs to be fixed. You could have never body shame me, Kay. Kay, you could have never ever body shame me. Me look good, and I feel good, and I feel fine. And a girl could have never do them body 3 times and make me feel intimidated. You're crazy? No girl cannot make doctor stop them up 3 times and company and still unfixable. You name unfixable. And your real name 16 balloon. Because I go up on your video where you see, I'm here try joke 16 times. Because your body really need to joke out and then need to ear out that look because you don't look good. You was not a look good girl. You is not a look good girl. You can't come to me about bun and them things. That's why I'm saying leave it alone because the whole we get gone. And I'm going to say it again. Anyone I see you class me, I'm going to come back. Because you cannot flop my show. You is not that top girl. You is not that top girl. Me have to look up to people like who have business. Maya and them girl. Miss Triple, she have our business. You can't come about the girl them where I do the things them. You cannot come about the girl them where I do the things them. I still not see I do nothing. I just see a start business what they are. Everybody look up DR Travel Service. Look up Rushy Boo Boutique. Me been I do my thing for a young girl. Me I beat you real bad. Me I beat you real.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Make a watch some more.
Bad. And it's sad to see me just watch a video and me listen to your ear, you know. Me know I'm all big. Like, is that a flex? That a flex? You can't me name for 1 and 2 man. Okay, fine, me not feel no way about it. That I'm not go dead. No man still never tell me say Dung that's so big. Hello? Hello? Wake up, K. Smell the coffee. At time for you just go in your lane and do your own thing and stop feel like you have to call me name to get a comeback. Because every single time you call me name, you tell lie on you and you tell lie on me. Say me no means me not supposed to say my daughter hungry. Can make me look bad. I never ever say my daughter hungry. And you come out and say that. I'm gonna make a video back for you. I'm not afraid of you. Only thing I'm afraid of is a man telling me say I'm old big. Cause boy have a pitney for me life never done for me. Me left a boy with a belly. I'm a breed for the one man because I was okay with it. And thanks be to God the boy make use of an opportunity and I take care of it. Hello? I still wait for you to tell me what the man I do for you. Because me did a mind man. But them the days are done and the man I take care of we now. Hello? Hello? Me could talk about that. Me could talk about no. Me could talk about the man them disrespect we and we get ourselves together and we bounce right back and we glow and we elevate make boy see. Me could talk about that. Instead of the boy and the boy been the man say after March this happen though. Before you see me you do your thing. Now you come back you're saucy, you know? Yeah, that's true. Your mouth never so loud. But me you have strength. But okay, you cannot have strength for me. You know why you definitely cannot have strength for me? You don't admit to me as a pretty girl. Me look good better than you. No girl will do them body cannot make me feel like me no look good. Okay, me look good, I'm fine. Okay, me look good and I am fine. I am 27 with 2 beautiful kids and I bounce right back. Okay, me look good and I'm fine. Okay, no doctor never see my body and even the girl them will do them body will look damn good. Me all left out Queen Nikki because Queen Nikki body look good. Them the girl that will do them body never make me feel like body shame me and make me feel no way about do body. Because the girl them do them body and them not feel no way about because do body can't hold man, you do your body and you still have natural girl problems. See a girl who do them body you're not supposed to in a natural girl problems. And what kind of advice you give me? Advice to do my body, you know, say you have low self-esteem and that's why you force other girl to go on the night. You could have never been that girl. You could have never made me go do my body, my dear. Can't nobody not afraid of you. Everybody know your file. You was not that type of girl for come on the internet come talk about nobody and them relationship because nothing about you not cute. And you straight thinking that flex on the talk about me all for rub out. Rub out your face, rub out your teeth, rub out your hole. And them that's something you need to go fix up your business before you focus on other people's business. Because if you want to spoil, me know that man there beat you. Just the way him talk to you, me know him beat you. Me left a boy with a belly and I'm happy I'm a breed for that boy there. I'm happy to my breed. If him come in and have no baby father drama or stress. Hello? Hello? You can't come by me, K. No day, no time. You're not in that league there. Me have to go find somebody else, but you're not ready. You're not ready, bad dog. Bad dog, you're not ready. Big wall, you
can't get them. You dash for the belly, me no see you dash for the belly. You no left before I announce. Remember, see me come talk to them left and I wanna forget. Oh, I know them business. I wanna think of the man I chat and I tell him who want the money, who want them I tell me. Okay, bad dog, but go and go take back your man because as I said, I shall be waiting. I shall be waiting. Don't forget. And she an idiot because she not realize all the girl knows that but because she tell a lie to herself now.
Exactly. She dumb.
Because she come and say, oh, me not dash your belly, but you know say dash your belly. Oh, urban no. You never announce it on the left.
Before she got do her investigation.
You know, when me know say they left, when me got Jamaica in April and me got vacay weekend, I saw her vacay weekend and he wasn't there. Yeah, man, love party, he was not there. I saw her. I was there. With the big belly
You
and
know,
all.
him left because him tell him woman with their New York and swear on him son life. And then when the girl tell me and me put it out, him text her and cuss her and say him hate her with a passion because of him want to tell her. I want to text message them there. Me need to go for my evidence them because
Lord God, I case start up now.
the evidence them.
She start up 40 days and 40 nights and we not done with her.
Yes, I went with my belly, yes. With my husband, yes.
And me sit screen record with people I say me swear on my son life say it done. And I you me remember sending that dog. See in love call people dog. Shit.
Dog.
Sit.
Flip it around. You have to flip around the camera.
See tears. Oh. The camera.
Dog. Everybody say I love God people dog.
He love call people dog and me can't.
No, and the people are just she alone get to call dog.
See it here, see it there? I mess it on screen record with people I say me swear upon my son life say it done. And I you me remember sending that dog shake my head. I you say brother me hate you. And you alone me message that me send a message that you fucking wicked me hate you. I tell him woman all of them something because she tell me everything. Because she tell me everything o'clock your teeth. Your man chat you like dog with him woman them a road. So not only him a fuck on you.
Oh Lord.
You too.
If I me like her, me run them and if I know, you know.
Yeah, I know, but I can't come a foreign because you can't come a
You should have said, can't come a
man. Why you
no? She have to learn.
Man, they tell us you're a bad man, Ava. Ava, you're a bad man.
Don't be saying
well, me never see no man come a foreign, so.
Ava, me had a show with pan. Me dear.
No,
me dear.
You talking about? So you talking about we're sitting there but unhappy with husband. See from when my husband obsessed with me, they see me I go through my phone there. July 2013, my husband I tell me love you, you love me. And me there I tell him nope. And him say I don't care, I love you though more. You're bright and face, you could have unhappy with man will take such good care of me, I love me, I upset with me. You feel like I feel like I know this
that's how it's supposed to be. The
you feel like I know this 2013 how much years ago? 2013
over 10 years.
No, at 10 years now.
2013 how much years ago? Someone they would my body. You're bright. I'm 2014. And you feel like
about 11 or 12 years.
You must feel like an internet relationship. This. You must come and talk about and also the ugly game.
Bad dog.
See bad dog. Yeah, we are worried. Why the filter makes you pretty?
Bad dog.
This is my evidence phone and I want to find the rest of screen, the text message there. Yeah,
I don't know where. I don't know where she gonna mention the woman name.
Unhappy with kids and unhappy with husband. Unhappy with what husband? My husband love me like cook food. Nothing to him like in Shire. You're bright. You're bright.
Me not lie.
I want thing me not ramp with man, so no must that's I think.
Yeah.
Have y'all ever hear unless them bring up man? You never hear my company just a willingness for man.
The thing is them love talk about everything a man for them.
The whole one.
Me not revolve my life around man, but unhappy with man.
One thing I must say though, Rochelle girl are proud of you. Me have little doubts about you, know, because me talk to Rochelle. Me have little doubts about you, know, because true, when you're in a long distance relationship, a man go on with their antics, they left them at Jamaica till they know for BYNZ. And me never like that. But me proud of you, girl.
Me I try to look for the rest of text message them.
The man come here and he in the army. Make use of it.
He probably there on the phone.
Make use of it. Proud of you.
Right, I'm
man. No, with a text for the girl for true.
Unhappy with.
And why should I tell the girl to go do her body? But I'm not talking about the girl shape body. If she never said that, me not think Rochelle wouldn't have nothing to say.
Embarrassing.
Yeah, tell the girl so she needs so she go do her body.
No,
so when she a man left. So everything a man.
And she don't body how much time and she don't look good. No, she can't look good.
I don't know big old age because I'm 37. When really make on life a revolve around a man. Man, everything a man. Man, everything on the do man.
And then they
go for man.